to see Mr. Masroor Barzani. I think the signing of two agreements, two contracts for gas amounting above $110 billion is a very, very great strategic move. And I applaud the Prime Minister for this move. I think President Trump will appreciate this partnership of business, partnership of real friendship between the two peoples of Kurdistan and the United States. And also I think there is a lot of prospects for this relation to grow and invest more in minerals and other issues in Kurdistan.
Okay, now Kaji signing two important agreements with U.S. companies, and how it is important to strengthen our economic relations with Washington.
Of course, it's extremely important, but American companies, we have to remember, they don't serve in Iraq anymore. The only American oil companies doing business in Iraq are only in Kurdistan, which is a big honor for Kurdistan. Also, American companies provide the best and the top services in the world. So making a contract with American companies is a win for the Kurdish people, is a win for the American people. And I think this relation should evolve. There are many minerals in Kurdistan, and there are many opportunities for American investment in Kurdistan. We saw that President Trump is very much inclined and pushing for investment in the Middle East. He came back from his trip in the Middle East with $3 trillion, $3,000 billion of investment in Qatar, United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. And I think we can repeat the same process and the same excellent experiment in Kurdistan. And I think the Kurdish people and the Kurdish government are friendly with the Americans, and they will protect American companies when they work in Kurdistan. So I see a very bright future for the Kurdish people in regard business with the United States.
We see in one side that oil companies, U.S. oil companies are investing in Kurdistan region. They have been investing for 10 of years. From the other side, the United States is going to open its biggest, largest consulate in Erbil. What does it mean?
The consulate in Erbil is a strong sign. Some of my friends who work in the State Department call it an embassy, not a consulate. It's the size of an embassy that reflects the strong and deep and historic relationship between the United States of America and Kurdistan. Of course, the leadership of the Kurdish people, Mr. Masroor Barzani, President Masroor Barzani, played a huge role in this great relation between the two peoples. I think this visit is going to be a historical visit, and this visit is invited by Secretary Rubio, who is the Secretary of State and the National Security Advisor to President Trump. And I think this is going to reflect very positive with the President and his advisors. I just spoke to one of President Trump's advisors, and they were very impressed by signing these two contracts with the Kurdish government.
And don't you think, like signing these agreements, the investment of U.S. oil companies in Kurdistan and opening their consulate in Erbil, it is a guarantee that the United States is going to protect Kurdistan and stay there?
I think Kurdistan does not need protection. The Kurdish people can protect themselves. The Peshmerga are protecting the United States interests and protecting the Kurdish and the Iraq and the regional interest. I think what Kurdistan needs is support from the United States in terms of weapons, in terms of air defense systems, in terms of political support, in terms of investment in Kurdistan. Is a mutual beneficial relationship that it will benefit both people. Again, I don't think the Kurdish people need anybody to protect them. They can protect themselves. We have very brave Peshmerga. The Minister of Peshmerga is accompanying Prime Minister Masroor Barzani here, and it's a good, strong sign that the relation between the Pentagon and the Kurdish Peshmerga is getting stronger every day, and we look forward that the Kurdish people and the Peshmerga will get advanced weapons and transform into a modern military which can protect both Kurdistan, protect Iraq, and protect stability in the region.